Hey you guys, so today I'm back in my car. The weather is great, but I am sitting out in front of Lidl, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. Hopefully, it does look really busy today, so we'll see. But I will share everything once I get home, so I will see you guys in a little bit. So if you've never been to Lidl before, it is pretty similar to Aldi, except one of the differences is you do not need a quarter. So Lidl does have a pretty decent produce section for such a small store. And it also has a small bakery section. You can get breads, croissants, donuts, cookies, and a lot of other baked goods. And they also have an aisle of shame, just like Aldi, except it's more like 2 or 3 aisles. All right, you guys, so I'm going to get on out of here, and I'll see you guys back at home. So I did stop into Food Lion mainly to pick up hot dog chili. But while I was there, I picked up some turkey sandwich meat and some shaved ham. And the Patterson's is my favorite chili, and I usually can only find that at Food Lion. And I realized once I got there, I had forgot to pick up mushrooms at Lidl, so I picked those up too. So we spent just under $25 there at Food Lion, and that's mainly from sandwich meats. That was almost 3 pounds worth. So this is everything I picked up at Lidl. So I did need to pick up some ketchup as we had run out, and they actually had it on sale this week, so it was only 99 cents for that large bottle. The girls wanted more whipped cream, so I picked that up. We needed milk, so I picked up 1.5 gallons. Got 8 containers of strawberry yogurt, and I did pick up a can of cream of chicken soup. I like keeping one on hand for quick casserole meals. Got a couple cans of green beans, a big jar of applesauce, and then last week I picked up the dark chocolate biscuits, so I picked up the milk chocolate for everyone to try. I got a box of their brand of Ritz. It was actually on sale for $1.50. Then I picked up some spinach for a recipe this week and salads and just a small bag of salad mix. We still have quite a bit of romaine from last week. Got some cucumbers, blueberries, black grapes, some bananas, and they had this large container of grape tomatoes for $3.99. A couple of slicing tomatoes, and the strawberries looked super great this week, and they were on sale for $2.50. And I also got some apples. My daughter has been wanting some chocolate bars, so these were buy one get one free. Got some half and half and potato wedges for breakfast. Picked up some sausage. This is my favorite brand. It is the hot version, so if you've never tried it, it's not very hot. It's just a hint hotter than their mild version. I picked up these chicken sausages because I'm making a creamy sausage spinach pierogi dish this week, which the video for that is already uploaded, so I'll have it linked below if you're interested. And then I did pick up some sliced cheese because it was on sale for $1.50 a pack. The ice cream was also $1.50, so we picked up some chocolate and some cookies and cream. Then I picked up 2 bags of pork skins. I got some barbecue and hot and spicy. Hamburger buns and hot dog buns were also on sale, buy one get one free this week, so I thought I would throw those in the freezer so we can have them in the future. And I also picked up some bagels. I also picked up some of their croissants, which are pretty decent for a grocery store. So we're going to use these for sandwiches this week instead of subs, just for something different. And then their pizzas were still $1.50. So I picked up 4 more of those. And then just got some Minute Maid and some strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid juice. So that's everything we picked up at Lidl, and we spent just under $99, which I thought was pretty good. Granted, we didn't buy any meat outside of the sausage, nor did we buy any eggs, so that may be why it was only $99. Still, regardless, I still thought it was a pretty good trip. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!